G'day, I'm Boxer from HoonTV and this is my Land Cruiser 80 Series panel van Frank the Tank. It's got a 6 litre LS under the bonnet and thanks to Davies Craig it stays nice and cool. On the radiator we've got a couple of Davies Craig 14-inch high power thermatic fans. Now what we did to make them fit was use a VE Commodore fan shroud, cut the factory Holden fans out and fitted these. They're a powerful 225 watt electric motor and pump through 1500 CFM of air. To keep the big 6-speed auto cool, we've used the 30-plate transmission cooler. It's 100% Australian made and comes with a 2-year warranty. These are tested up to 150 PSI. They're a slim design at only 20mm and come with a 10-inch thermatic fan. Right next to that, there's a 12-plate transmission cooler which takes care of the power steering and the hydraulic brake booster. So if you're doing a conversion or just want to keep your car cool, definitely hit up Davies Craig and tell them Boxer from HoonTV sent you.